That is up to your taste, how much salt you want in your couscous. And it's time to add. Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Cous Cous Upma. So this is very healthy breakfast, guys. So this is the couscous packet and I'm going to show you how to make this one in South Indian style. So let's start, guys. So for the couscous, now I'm going to show you how to prepare couscous. Take a small bowl, add 1 cup of water. So for half a cup of couscous, you have to add 1 cup of water into this bowl, and I'm going to add little bit of oil so that the couscous won't stick. Little bit of oil and some salt. So this is very easy recipe, guys, and it's very good for your health also. So I added some salt. So you can add half a teaspoon of salt. That is up to your taste, how much salt you want in your couscous. And it's time to add. So when the water is boiling, you have to switch off the flame. And I'm going to add half a cup of couscous. So I'm going to add half a cup of couscous into this. And you have to cover this one with the lid. So I'm going to cover this one with the lid and keep it in the other side. And it's time to make upma. So what you have to do, guys, take a big pan. So take a pan, add some oil. So you can add 1 tablespoon of oil, but I am not using any spoon. And when the oil is little bit hot, you have to add the mustard seeds, same as upma, guys. So you have to add the mustard seeds. So with the mustard seeds, it started spluttering. You have to add the urud dal and this chana dal. So we have to add everything. So it's time to add some urud dal and some chana dal. And you have to mix all these things. So I added the hing powder and the curry leaves. It gives a nice taste in the upma, the curry leaves. And it's time to add some onion, chopped onion. And you have to fry this onion until it becomes brown in color. And this recipe is very good for the weight loss also. So I thought I can share this recipe with you. And it's time to add the chopped tomatoes into this. So you can add any veggies. You can add carrot, beans, that is up to your choice. And you have to mix along with the onion. And in the meanwhile guys, my couscous is done. Can you see? This is perfectly cooked. And you have to mix this couscous with the fork so that it will separate. So this is ready. And when my onion and tomatoes are cooked, I will add the turmeric powder, the chili powder and the salt. So I added the turmeric powder and the salt, that is up to your taste. And this is done guys, and I'm going to add this couscous into this. So I'm adding this couscous. And I'm going to mix this one. And you can add some frozen peas or any fresh peas into this upma guys. So my upma is ready and it's time for garnishing. So I'm going to add some chopped coriander, that is cilantro, into this. It gives the nice taste in the upma. So my upma is ready guys. Can you see the color? So this is very healthy, and as I said, it's very good for the weight loss also. Those people who don't want to eat rice, they can eat this one and it fill up your stomach also. And I'm going to put it in the serving plate. So this is my breakfast guys. Every day I'm making this one at home and my family, they love it. So this is the quick video of how to make couscous upma at your home, and I'm going to try this one guys. It's very hot. Very nice. And please try this recipe at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video, and please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye.